Practice lang. Practice mo na. Practice nga pala kayo.
You
Practice
try
kayo na.
it. Just practice. You try it now. You try it now, Jane. Can you try it? Ate Marie. Malandi ka.
Alin, wala ka sa room. Nawala, Alin? Pumasok ka muna sa room.
Practice lang. Practice lang. Practice lang. Practice lang.
Halata na namin, malayo pa lang.
Pwede bang video na lang? Yeah, I'm doing a video.
Okay. Might as well practice a dance or something like that. Or, I don't know. Pagbuhat.
Sige, Devon, practice kayo ng sayaw. Konting dance move.
You can try.
Oo.
So that later, sorry. Have a hard time.
Do we have to sing?
Yeah. Okay. Oh. What a song!
Tapos, kailangan mo mag-log in ulit.
Ten.
Ang password, Loterio.
Hello, ate. Nawala ang net.
Devon,
Bitawan mo lang, Deb. Hayaan mo siya.
practice the lifting.
Kasi wait, nabibidyo naman sila eh. Wait, sige. Tabi mo na ako. Okay na.
Sabi ko sa hindi ko masaya.
You're dead.
You
Try it now. You can try it now. Try it now. So you'll know.
So that later you will not
be bothered by it.
Huwag ka tatalunig.
Kung tatalon.
I'm scared.
Huwag kang tumawag, ha?
Again.
Ako with song.
Kanta.
Isa pa. Alright. Slowly lang yung ikot para, alright?
Hindi rin naka-slow motion.
Yeah.
Gawin mo, Dev, parang with
Do
counting.
the turn
Yeah, okay.
slowly.
1, 2, 3, and. 1, 2, 3, and. Parang ganun. Alright?
1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Pwede. Picture ko.
Okay, guys. Okay, take 1. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah. Okay.
Sige.
Adjust mo. Tapos pa nawala yung ano. So, dito ako nakatingin. Kasi pag next step mo, just,
Ayaw mag-smile lang.
Ayaw
mag-smile lang. Pwede kong seryoso.
I'm shaking.
Meron ba kang ano? Nabablock?
Okay na?
Meeting ito?
Meeting kayo dalawa?
Kwentuhan na lang.
Okay, one more.
Finish na?
Dito na.
Dito.
Makeup muna. Ate ka.
Si Ate Tina nag-makeup pa.